Introducing the Kohan remote control lawnmower. Cutting grass has never been this easy. Just grab the remote, guide it gently, and let it handle the rest with smooth, powerful motion. Steep slopes and tricky angles, the Kohan mower takes them on effortlessly, keeping you safe on the sidelines, while it powers through tough terrain like a true pro. Its compact, low-profile design means it gets into tight corners, under low branches and around obstacles with total control. No missed spots, no wasted time. Tall weeds and thick grass don't stand a chance. The Kohan mower slices clean through with sharp, durable blades that stay strong, cut after cut. No more noisy engines or gas fumes. This electric mower delivers clean, quiet performance, letting you mow anytime without disturbing the neighbors. Stay cool and in control with a remote in hand. You can relax in the shade while your Kohan mower handles the hard work in the heat. Fine-tune your mowing speed to match your needs. Whether you want a slow, detailed cut or a quick trim, Kohan adjusts in real time with the push of a button. From safety and comfort to unmatched cutting power, the Kohan remote control lawn mower is built for smart mowing. Sit back, take control, and mow your way, redefined.